Hi guys, ako si Tita Liz at 17 years na akong OFW. Pero higit pa sa work abroad experience, journey ko rin ito as a married person na nag-move on, nag-grow at natutunan ang tunay na kahulugan ng family at priorities. Being away for so long teaches you a lot. Not just how to survive financially, but how to survive emotionally. Nakakalungkot minsan pero marami rin akong natutunan sa relationships, commitment at self-growth. Ngayon after 17 years, I'm at a big decision point. Should I go back home to the Philippines and build or rebuild new life with family? Or should I explore another country and start a new chapter abroad? Dito sa page na to, I'll share real stories from my 17 years as an OFW at as a married person navigating life abroad. I'll show you also tips and lessons of OFWs and families, emotional survival, long-distance relationships, financial planning, and personal growth. Also, reflections about moving on, making big life decisions, and finding balance between work, love, and family. And lastly, insight on transitioning back home or moving to a new country. Kung ikaw ay OFW, may family o planning mag-decide kung saan ka next sa life, dito sa page makikita mo real experiences, challenges at lesson learned. Walang sugarcoating. So follow me and let's share stories, advice and inspiration. Let's talk about moving on, making decisions and living fully, whether home or abroad. So thank you guys. Sana stay tuned lang kayo. Pwede rin naman kayo magtanong or share ng comments ninyo. Experiences sa comments. So, ngayon nandito ako sa United Arab Emirates. Before, nag-abroad din ako sa Taiwan for 3 years as operator sa semiconductor electronics. Straight na 3 years yun. And then after that, nag-asawa ko. And then, nagplano ulit na mag-abroad dito na sa United Arab Emirates for 14 years now. So, ngayon, nawala na ako ng trabaho. Kaya kailangan kong mag-isip kung mag-stay pa ba ako kasi nahihirapan na akong maghanap ng trabaho dahil sa age ko. Kasi mas preferred na ngayon ang mga younger generation para sa position ko. Sa office staff kasi ako. So, maraming tao rito at nag-a-apply na willing mag-accept ng mas mababang salary. So, let's see kung apply pa ako dito and then makakapag-proceed pa sa ibang country. Kasi yun ang plano ko. If hindi na talaga para sa akin ang abroad, here or sa kung saan mang bansa yung plano ko, wala namang option kundi umuwi ng Pilipinas at magsimula ng sariling negosyo. So sana pala rin tayo kung saan hahantong ang buhay natin bilang mga OFW. So good luck sa lahat. Just type your questions para mapag-usapan natin at magkaroon tayo ng topic.